Now we saw the counting of the significant figures. So for counting of the significant figures we have 5 rules. Already we explained those 5 rules to you. Now rounding off. So rounding off the measurement. Rounding off the measurement. Rounding of the measurement or more rounding of the measured value. So here also we have rules to round the measured value. So what are the rules? Rule number 1. Rule number 1. Suppose if you want to drop the digit. So if the digit to be dropped is less than 5. If the digit to be dropped, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Then the preceding digit is left unchanged. I'll repeat. Rule number 1. If the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. Example 3.74. 3.74. Suppose you want to drop this 4. So you want to drop this digit. So if you want to drop this digit, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, means this value is 4. 4 is less than 5. So if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit, what is the preceding digit here? 7. So the preceding digit is left unchanged means don't change it. So for this answer is 3.7. Suppose if you want to drop 4 is less than 5, so simply you can drop it. Don't change the preceding digit. So it is left unchanged. One more example I am giving. See, 6.233. Suppose if we take like this, 6.233. Now you want to drop this 3. So this 3 value is less than 5. So if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit, means this 3, is left unchanged. So answer is, for this answer is 6.23 only, like this. So this is the rule number 1. So rule number 1 is, if the digit to be dropped is less than 5, then the preceding digit is left unchanged. That is rule number 1. Next, rule number 2. Second rule. Second rule is, if the digit to be dropped, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Then the preceding digit is raised by 1. I repeat, the rule number 2, if the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Example, I think I'll write here that example. So example For rule number 2, example C. So example, you see the example 1, that is 6.247. 6.247. Here you want to drop this 7. This 7 is greater than 5. So the preceding digit, what is the preceding digit 4? It is raised by 1. Means answer is 6.25. 6.25. I'll repeat. If the digit to be dropped is greater than 5, then the preceding digit is raised by 1. Means 7 you want to drop it, this value is greater than 5. So if you want to drop it, the preceding digit is raised by 1, means 6.25. One more example. 3.4538. For example, you want to drop this 8. You want to drop that 8. So this 8 is greater than 5. Then the preceding digit here is 3. That is raised by 1. Means answer is 3.454. So this is the answer. So this is rule number 2. Now you go for rule number 3. So you go for rule number 3. Now you go for rule number 3.